welcome back to Doing Life with Chris. Although today you'll be doing life with Melissa, and today I want to show you how to make wall decor out of toilet papers, paint, anything you have at home. Mom is supervising me because we are going to need to have to break glass, so we don't want my precious fingers to be cut off. And here I have tissue paper rolls, and we have cut that into small pieces, and then I pressed them together. I also painted them and drizzled black on top of it to make it look amazing. So the main thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be smashing this wine glass or bottle. You smash it, we apply glue on top of our box, and we put the shredded glass on top, and then we use super glue to stick these things on top. So let's do that quick. As you can see here, I have put on heavy duty gloves, and we are going to use this box because we do not want shredded glass on the floor because that's a safety hazard. So let's crush this bottle.
Yeah. Use my dog.
Yeah! One down, two to go, and the lessons I have learned from this: the top and bottom part are pretty hard to crack, so we have decided to do away with that and just do with the middle part. And we have also realized that you need to protect your eyes, which is why my brother had gone for his goggles. We are going to crack the two more left, and he's going to be doing that. So let him show you how he does it.
That was easy. Mom, is it okay now?
I think it is.
Here with us we have our broken bottles, and since we're using locally available materials, I went to Mom's kitchen. I got all-purpose flour and some water over here, and I mixed those together to get this consistency. And we are going to apply this on a small section and then line these things, the broken bottles on top. You should be very careful not to cut yourself with the broken bottles, which is why Mom is here assisting me. I'm going to be doing this to the entire cardboard, so I will see you when I am sticking on my decorations on top.
So how much are you going to sell this for? If it does work.
How much would I?
How much do you think it's worth?
1,000.
Only.
1,200. Money.
Just make sure when you get your money, you remember
The
who?
hardships that I went through.
Who?
The people who helped me, who supported me in this journey.
That's the spirit. Oh my goodness, you should have this view from here and look. Awesome!
The way it pops out so much.
So much as in it's bad or so much
It's okay.
it's amazing. What do you think about your project?
It's going to turn out awesome. I think Miss Montgomery will name my area where I will be selling it the adult pleasing area. Everyone are making kids things.
Oh, really? How do you know that?
Because just what everyone was thinking. Should have seen their faces when Miss Mukami said toys. And my face lit up when she saw the wall decor.
Along the coastal line.
My shades are tiny.
You've not told people to book with us. I have not heard you telling people to book.
You tell them to book with you.
You tell them it's your project.
So, which number should they call?
My number.
So guys, book a place with Christabel. She will be your host for the nights you will be staying there. Call the number below.